Welcome to my sewing room. I don't invite very many people into my happy place, but I wanted you to see the color and the excitement that the Kaffe Bernina 770 has brought to my sewing room. I have loved Kaffe designs, the embroidery designs, the stitches. I just love it. And every time I look at this, I look at what I can do as a project, as a gift for somebody else. And I wanted to share that with you because I don't bring very many machines into my sewing room. I was specially impressed with this. So this is a project we have using the Kaffe designs. You've got the quilting design around and the embroidery design in the middle, and it's framed. So you can do this without doing a quilt. It's not your typical quilt. It's something that you can give away as a gift or put in your bathroom or put in the wall on your sewing room or your family room. It's a perfect gift. This is how easy it is. You go to the Kaffe folder. You go to the Design 50. You do your quilting. Then, after you're done with that, you go and you do your number 31, the flower. So you embroider your flower. And that's how easy it is. So I'm going to pause this right now, and I want to show you the other things that you can do with the Kaffe bundle. And this one is especially nice for me because I love Delft and I love pottery and I love antiques. And so when I look at things, I want to see what I can do as gifts. And this is one of the things that I did this afternoon. When I saw this, I wanted to make a gift. And what better thing to do than to make an apron? And isn't it gorgeous? I'm super excited about these next two projects. One is this jeans jacket by Kaffe Designs and my cushion cover for my Aero chair, 20 hours multi-hooping. I'm so proud. I love this design. It is so awesome. Thank you for coming to my happy place and seeing my Kaffe machine and all the happy, colorful designs and projects I have going on. And if you have any questions about Kaffe, just call the store, and thanks for watching.